Do you know if your memory is still working well or not? Come and enter the game. We look at the pictures together for 10 seconds, and then for each of your correct answers, you will get a specific point. At the end of the video, you can measure your level by adding up your points. Write down the number of each question you answered correctly.
How many fire extinguishers were there? How many people were wearing white gloves? How many buttons did the women's dress have? How many cars were in the picture? What color was the shirt of the person with him hand in him pockets? What was written on the soldier's left arm? What was the capacity of the memory card?
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
What was the total number of guns and electric lights? What color was her wristband? How many stars were on the tank? How many horizontal fences were in the picture? Which one was not in the picture? How many red chairs were there? How many hats were there? Which one wasn't in the picture? Which country's flag was in the picture? How many buttons were there in the first person's dress? Which number was 5 tickets? Which number was written on the gun?
Attention! Participants who did not answer more than 7 questions correctly cannot enter the final stage, and their answers are not accepted. They can try their chance in the next video.
What was the total number of blue flags and orange flags?
The questions are finished. Laws of the game. A total of 20 questions will be asked. From questions 1 to 10, each question has 100 points. From questions 11 to 19, each question has 300 points. But the final question, 20, has 1000 points. Please collect the points you have earned. Your score should be a number between 0 and 4700. My friend, is your score between 0 and 300? So your IQ level is 80. If your score is between 300 and 500, your IQ level is 81 to 94. If your score is between 500 and 1000, your IQ level is 95 to 104. If your score is between 1000 and 1700, your IQ level is 105 to 110. Maybe your score is between 1700 and 2700. In this case, your IQ level is 111 to 119. If your score is between 2700 and 3700, your IQ level is 120 to 130. If your score is between 3700 and 4700, your IQ level is 131 to 150. Thanks all. I was honored to be with you for a few moments. I wish you good luck, and I officially invite you to watch the next video.